E, E. The letter of the day is E. This is an uppercase letter E. This is a lowercase letter E. Uppercase, do you remember what we said? Big E. Lowercase, small e, or lowercase. The letter E says eh. The letter E says eh. The letter E says eh. So we have our song we're going to use to reinforce this. Are you ready? The letter E says eh, 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 eh. The letter E says eh, eh, eh. The letter E says eh. Your turn. The letter E says eh, 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 eh. The letter E says eh, eh, eh. The letter E says eh. Good. Excellent. Good job. The letter E says eh. This is the symbol we use to represent the sound eh, like egg, eh, egg, eh, eh. Speaking of the letter sound, we're going to talk about our produce of the day, which is endive. This is pronounced endive, endive. I have one here to show you. This is an endive. It's a leafy plant, vegetable that you can chop up and mix in with your other larger lettuces to form a salad if you like, or you can cook it if you like as well. And this is what it looks like. This is a little bit past its prime, but it is still going to be used in a delicious meal. I can guarantee you that. This is endive. Endive. Eh, eh, endive. Eh, eh, endive. That is